Hello again, and thanks for joining us. Today we're sharing some quick maintenance tips to maintain peak performance and extend the life of your hydraulic tools. First up, here are some general things that apply to most tools. Before using your tools, check for leaks, wear, or damage. If you hear unusual noises or feel excessive heat, these could signal internal issues. Clean your tools after every use and store them in a dry space to prevent rust. Use protective caps on couplers and ports to keep dirt out. Check and replace hydraulic oil regularly. Always use the manufacturer's recommended fluid to avoid overheating and to prevent increased wear. Check hoses for damage, but never check for leaks with your hands in a pressurized setup, as hydraulic injection injuries can be severe. Catch small issues early to save on repairs. Follow the service advice in the product manual and get a professional inspection if performance drops. If your tool does need repairing, don't try to do it yourself. Always use an authorized service center. Here's some additional tips for specific tools. Cylinders and jacks should be checked for corrosion and side load damage. Blades on cutters need inspection for wear and should be lubricated regularly. Check puller arms and jaws remain undamaged, and keep threads lubricated. For torque wrenches, make sure they deliver the right amount of torque, and don't forget to keep them properly lubricated. And always monitor hydraulic pumps for fluid levels, unusual noise, or signs of overheating. Regular maintenance keeps your hydraulic tools running smoothly and reduces downtime. A little care goes a long way. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.